The Elecrow ThinkNode M1 packaging follows a pragmatic, no-frills approach consistent with engineering-focused hardware. Inside, the device is accompanied by a USB Type-C cable and a concise user manual. There are no redundant accessories or marketing extras. Everything included serves a functional purpose. The pre-installed Meshtastic firmware is a critical advantage here. There is no need for flashing or initial firmware configuration, which significantly lowers the barrier to entry, especially for users who prefer immediate deployment over tinkering. The ThinkNode M1 adopts a compact, enclosed chassis that prioritizes durability and portability. The external antenna is a key component, ensuring stable RF performance and efficient signal propagation across varying terrains. The e-ink display is a deliberate and technically sound choice. It offers near-zero power draw when static and remains perfectly legible under direct sunlight. This is essential for outdoor and tactical scenarios where visibility cannot be compromised. Thermally and electrically, the device operates efficiently. The hardware demonstrates strong power optimization, critical for extended field deployments.